Hey foodies, welcome again. Are you tired of blenders that leave chunks in your smoothie? Do you worry about plastic pitchers that stain over time or hold onto the smell of last week's garlic dip? Are you on the hunt for a durable, reliable kitchen workhorse that can do it all without breaking the bank? If you're nodding your head, then you have come to the right place. As someone who spends a lot of time testing and comparing kitchen appliances, I know how hard it can be to find the perfect one. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best glass blenders that deliver on performance, durability, and that perfectly smooth texture we're all after.
5. Jusante Professional Blender. On paper, this machine is a beast, with models boasting up to 1,200 watts of power and a huge 64-ounce glass jar. It's designed to handle big batches for the whole family. When I first got my hands on it, I was eager to see if that power translated into performance. The control panel is refreshingly simple, with a single knob controlling 5 variable speeds and a pulse function, making it very user-friendly. The base feels solid, and the glass pitcher has a nice heavy feel to it that inspires confidence right out of the box. For my first test, I threw in everything for a tough green smoothie: frozen pineapple, a handful of spinach, chia seeds, and a scoop of protein powder. The Jusante's 6-pronged stainless steel blade assembly went to work immediately, creating a vortex that pulled everything down. It chewed through the frozen fruit with impressive speed, and in less than a minute, I had a smoothie. The versatility is a strong point. Customers often praise its ability to handle everything from morning shakes to soups and ice crushing, which I can certainly see. It has the raw power to tackle most everyday kitchen tasks. However, that power comes at a cost, and in this case, it's noise. This blender is noticeably loud, especially on its higher settings, which might be a consideration for early morning smoothie makers trying not to wake the house.
4. Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender. This isn't the most powerful blender on our list with a 700-watt motor, but it's a shining example of smart design making up for raw specs. Its signature feature is the wave action system, which is designed to continuously pull the mixture down into the blades for consistently smooth results. I was skeptical at first, but after using it, I can confirm it really works. It creates a vortex that keeps ingredients from getting stuck to the sides of the jar, a common frustration with more basic blenders. The blender comes with a 40-ounce glass jar, which is a great size for making a few servings of a smoothie or a batch of salsa. The glass is thick and sturdy, and unlike plastic, it won't absorb odors or get discolored from ingredients like tomatoes or carrots. The control panel is straightforward, with 5 simple buttons that give you access to 12 different blending functions for everything from milkshakes to crushing ice. In my tests, the stainless steel ice saber blades had no trouble breaking down frozen fruit and a moderate amount of ice, producing a silky smooth protein shake without any gritty bits left behind. One of the standout design features for me is the no-mess pouring spout. It's a small detail, but it makes a huge difference. It allows you to pour your drink without any drips running down the side of the jar, which helps keep your counter clean.
3. Ninja Professional Blender 1000W.
At our number 3 spot, we have an absolute powerhouse, but it comes with a major caveat. It's the Ninja Professional Blender 1000W, specifically the BL610 model. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why is a blender with a plastic pitcher on a list of the best glass blenders? It's a fair question. We included it because its sheer power and overwhelming popularity mean it constantly comes up in any conversation about the best blenders, period. For some, the incredible performance might just outweigh the preference for a glass jar, and we felt it was important to see how it stacked up. The first thing you have to talk about with this Ninja is the power. It packs a 1,000-watt motor, and when you pair that with its unique stacked blade assembly, you get what Ninja calls total crushing technology. This isn't just marketing speak. I loaded the 72-ounce pitcher with ice cubes, and it turned them into fluffy snow in literally seconds. It's incredibly impressive and lives up to its name. The blade design, which features 6 blades running up a central column, ensures that nothing escapes. It obliterates frozen fruit and fibrous leafy greens like kale with ease, creating perfectly homogeneous mixtures without a chunk in sight. Despite its power, the controls are very straightforward. It only has 3 speeds plus a pulse setting, which might seem limited compared to other models.
2. BLACK+DECKER PowerCrush Countertop Blender. Taking the number 2 spot is the BLACK+DECKER PowerCrush Countertop Blender, a truly well-rounded and dependable machine that gets just about everything right. This blender feels like a perfect middle ground, offering solid power, thoughtful design, and the durable glass construction we're looking for. It runs on a 700-watt motor, which provides plenty of power for most kitchen tasks, from making daily smoothies to pureeing soups. What sets the PowerCrush apart is its 4-tipped Quad Pro blade technology. The 4-point stainless steel blade is designed to work with the shape of the 6-cup glass jar to create a powerful vortex, pulling ingredients down and ensuring everything is thoroughly blended 5. During my testing, I found the system to be very effective. It handled frozen fruit and ice for smoothies with no trouble, but I also used it to make breadcrumbs from stale bread, and it produced a perfectly uniform result. This versatility is a huge plus, making it more than just a smoothie maker. The user interface is simple and intuitive, featuring 4 speed settings that are clearly labeled for their intended purpose: puree, crush ice, chop, and pulse. This takes the guesswork out of blending and gives you just the right amount of control for various recipes. The 6-cup, 48-ounce glass jar is thick, durable, and dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless. The lid fits securely, and the pour spout is designed to minimize drips, adding to its user-friendly nature. 1. Oster Classic Series 16-Speed Blender. This blender earns our top recommendation by masterfully combining timeless design, exceptional durability, and incredible versatility. It's a machine built not just for performance today, but to last for years to come. From the moment you unbox it, you can feel the quality that sets it apart from the competition. The heart of this blender's longevity is its legendary all-metal drive. Where most blenders use plastic components to connect the motor to the blade, which can wear down and break over time, Oster uses a durable metal-on-metal connection. This is a feature that promises lasting durability, ensuring it can blend smoothie after smoothie, year after year. The 700-watt motor is powerful and efficient, moving ingredients down into a spiraling vortex for smooth, chunk-free results. It crushes ice in seconds, making it perfect for frosty drinks and smoothies. The blending jar is another standout feature. It's a 5-cup jar made from Boro-class glass, which is shatterproof and thermal shock resistant. This means you can take it directly from a hot dishwasher and immediately fill it with ice and cold liquids to make a frozen drink without any fear of the glass cracking. This level of durability provides incredible peace of mind. All the parts, except for the base, are dishwasher safe, making maintenance simple and convenient. What truly elevates the Oster Classic is its versatility. With 16 different speeds, you have precise control over any task you can think of. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.